Okay, guys. This time I'll show you something like I think it's very interesting, and I'd like to see the difference between the countries relating to the numbers of the confirmed cases and number of dead cases. In the COVID-19 from John Hopkins, the data is like this. So it was divided into confirmed, the number of confirmed cases and deaths, and so you can load the data from different source, different files. Um, so I'd like to start reading everything again because I'm not sure that from above maybe the data has changed. So guys, here I will get the data from this URL again. I'm sorry. Here, okay, but no need to import any other libraries. So guys, here, uh, this is the confirmed DF, right? I move it to confirmed DF and run it. So I think it's okay now. I'd like to work on this cell on the confirmed cases first, and after we worked on confirmed cases already, we can work on the dead cases. So here, as I think that you can still remember that in our confirmed DF, there's province, state, country, regions, and other days. I would like to merge this data with the dead DF that comes from the other source and the other file, and we have to group by and sum the country together. So I will use group by country, region, and use the sum. You can see that for this data there are 266 rows, but after you sum it, there are just only 188 rows. This one is, I think it's work for the confirmed cases. So I store it in the confirmed DF. Okay. So we will check the file of the dead DF and check the result. Dead DF, and this one is dead DF, and this is the dead DF, and the data, the file name confirmed and dead. So we will change the file name here to be dead here. Okay, so I think now it should be fine. Okay, so I think there's no error, so just check the data. This is death DF, and I think it's good, should be correct. And now we have two data frames, and we would like to merge both together on the country for the same country and region. I would like to concatenate all columns together. So in pandas, they allow us to do that using this dot, this function dot merge. Okay, and I will merge the data from the dead DF and using on the key that has both data frame have this key together. So this one is on country and region. Let's check the result. Okay, it should be correct. 266 row. Maybe 188 and 188. It should be 188. I'd like to check again. Date df has 188 and confirmed df. Oh, why? Confirmed df group by. I don't know. Again, I'll like to check it. Like to check the values in this field. That how many countries? In China, there are 33 regions, 33 states. I think that's not correct. Confirmed dot group by country region dot sum. I like to check this. So it should have only 188, and I don't know why. Yes, it should be 188, and I would like to store it again in the confirmed df and check the confirmed df again. Okay, it should be correct. I don't know why here. Group by region. I'd like to check something first. Sorry. I run this for this link and run this and run this. Okay, should be correct. I don't know why. Okay. Confirm df merge here. So yes, there should be 188. I don't know what happened, but it's okay. Maybe you think that this one is x and this one is x, and this is the default one. The suffixes that pandas provide for us. This is y, guys. It means that there are two parts from x and y. So I will make it to be more understandable. So I'd like to make it for the confirmed. The suffix should be confirmed and date to make all the people know and make us remind us. So this one is confirm, 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 and date. Okay, so once you finish merge the data, now we are ready to show the relationships between the confirmed and date for each country. Okay, so now I will use the Seaborn and show you how can we plot the scatter one. Okay, so guys, let's now we have SBS, right? This time we will use scatter plot from the oh sorry, we just run it, but we didn't store it in any data frame, so I store in merged data frame. Okay, and for the scatter plot, we will plot the columns for the x-axis 9, 15, 20, and of the confirmed, and 9, 15, 20 of the dead case from the data frames. This one, data is merge df. Okay, so this one is the scatter plot, and you can see that this one is the dead and the confirmed of each countries, and you cannot see the difference between the country, right? So you can categorize, you can set the values, the colors of each dot of each data using some other series. Like if you want to use it using the country and region, you will see here, sorry, because the merge the country and regions is indexed, so I have to re-index one. So df dot reset index, and then in place is true. So now I think the country and regions, now it moved from the index to outside, and you can see that here. This is the legend, the label of each country, and I think it's there are too many countries, and maybe we cannot make it. So I will set legend to be none first. That is to remove the label, the legend, and this one is the graph that I think this one is the scatter plot that it can show the data now, but maybe it's not a good one because there are too many countries and we cannot show each country in this graph. So we need something that is like the interactive graph. So guys, that library is the Plotly. So the idea of using Plotly is import Plotly dot express as px. It is the library that very powerful also. I'll set the figure to be px dot scatter, and we have to provide the data frame and provide the x-axis that it is the data on September 9th of the confirmed, and the values of y is 9, 15 of the dead, and let's check the result first. Okay, it's correct. So I use figure.show. Yes. Now you can see that we can place the mouse, hover the data, and you see here a lot of data here, right? So now I will add some parameter, that is the color. I will make the color to be color by the country or region. Let's run and check the result. Now Plotly will add the legend for us, but this time when you place your mouse on each dot, you will see the data here. Okay, and you can interact with the data, like if you want to see this part, just only this part, you will see the country like this. Okay, I hope that you can enjoy this this Plotly. Okay, how about our country, right? Our country should be somewhere here because our confirm is just only 3,000 something. Should be somewhere here. So maybe you can zoom it again. Yes, Vietnam and Thailand should be somewhere here. So guys, I hope that you can get the idea how can we process and visualize the data using many libraries. Okay, I hope you enjoy this series. Goodbye.